Welcome! Today, we're exploring the world of typography and why it's a crucial element in graphic design. Typography involves arranging type to make language legible, readable, and visually appealing. In graphic design, typography is used to convey a message, create an aesthetic appeal, and guide the reader's eye through the design. Good typography enhances readability and ensures that the message is communicated clearly and effectively. Let's look at some key elements of typography. A typeface is a family of fonts, like Arial or Times New Roman. Font, hierarchy, spacing, and alignment are essential elements of typography. Choosing the right typeface is essential. Serif typefaces are often used for formal documents, while sans serif typefaces are ideal for digital content. Decorative fonts can add personality but should be used sparingly. Visual hierarchy is crucial in typography. It organizes text to lead the reader's eye through the content in a logical order. Using different font sizes, weights, and colors can highlight important information and improve the overall readability of the design. Typography has a significant impact on the effectiveness of a design. Well-chosen and well-arranged type can make the difference between a design that communicates clearly and one that confuses the viewer. Good typography enhances the user experience and strengthens the message. Thanks for watching! We hope this video helped you understand the importance of typography in graphic design. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful.